I am Luke and this is Rocco. Together we built this car, Big Bertha.
This car is designed to be a speed car as it is geared with a 2 to 5 gear ratio, which gives it more torque and less speed. The chassis was made with a 3D printer and we made it ourselves on the website Tinkercad.
This car was mostly made with a 3D printer, the wheels were made out of 3D printer, so was the body. We designed this car with a flat edge to be quick and speedy. We put 2 rectangular holes in the bottom to be aerodynamic.
We originally wanted to make the Super Mario Bullet Bill, but when we were done with our base, we realized we had a really good and fast car.
One problem we encountered with this car was the wheels. We did not know whether or not to use wood, plastic, or 3D print it. We ended up using a 3D printing them, but it took over an hour of time and wasted many of our ideas. In the end, we 3D printed them to go along with the car design.
We encountered that small gear ratio, the more torque it has, and it's a 2 to 5 would help it go faster. As builders and designers that we wanted a fast car, we knew from experience that 2 to 5 was a good idea, so we decided to use it on the Big Bertha.
Well, we indeed needed a lot more momentum in this car, so we ended up using a 3D printed chassis that will give it an edge in the race and will give it a lot more momentum in the long distance races.
One more problem we encountered were the guide wires. Since their guide wires are an extremely important part and they help keep a car on the track, we needed to make sure they were all well incorporated. We thought that copper wires would hold and be extremely effective in a race. We also used one in the front of the wheels to hold the angle smoothly, while the other between the 2 pairs of wheels so that it equally spread.
The solar panel is a very important part of this car. While in the sun, this is the only energy source for the car we'll use in the race. This car has 2 solar holders in the back and 1 in the front to angle the solar panel to gain more energy.
Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity using a process called photovoltaics. They are made of photovoltaic PV cells, which are typically silicon-based and absorb photons from the sun. These cells generate direct current, DC, electricity, which is converted to alternating current, AC. Makes it easier for usable homes, business, or in our case, a solar car.
One major change in this mobile device we made was the solar panel. We first thought to use 2 in the front, but we ended with 1 in the front to make it more stable and have more momentum. This change helped us a lot in the long run because it gave us higher top speeds and better solar panel use. It also gave us the solar panel more sun. While the solar panel dips forward, it takes more sun, unlike going backwards, which will tip the car backwards from all the weight. We thought this many times over and decided to end with solar panel facing forwards.
Thank you for listening to our presentation about the Big Bertha.
We had lots of fun and was very entertaining. We hope to continue this to the field trip we take soon.